Suco Garage.
This is how to paint the engine bay. Get everything stripped off. If I'm going to take out this fender, a bolt here, and to get to this bolt, this door had to open all the way. Oh, this sounds so hot. Get a little piece of sandpaper until it passes your hand till the surface kind of smooth and kind of scratched up like that. So we'll take the primer paint. Everything don't have to come off, but get most of it as you could. I finally done sand off. It's like 10 o'clock in the night. Turn on the compressor here. Wipe this down. Real dry. Rinse color. Alcohol time. Spray paint. Now for some ventilation. I don't know what a paint they will have. Looking like a Ninja Turtle, a Joker. So, without a primer, and well, this is all I have. This is what I paint my engine with. So. Yeah, man, not much difference. I think now is the best time to put some seam sealer. Tape off. You want to leave some space, your thumb, like that. How I feel my skills is autobody sealant. Seam sealer is on. Clean it. This thing It's stock rag time. This look like a ghost spot. This will get any last bits of dust or any little thing. I'll go back with the remaining silver, probably like quarter is left because the purple is a
Anodized color coat spray paint is a type of paint designed to mimic the appearance of anodized metal. This paint is formulated to provide a similar look and protective qualities without the need for actual anodizing.
what the kind of color is that? What the fuck? Which sort of stain though? First coat. Right, the sun, it didn't come up as yet. This is about 5 coats in. My paint done. Earlier this thing real bothering me. I can't put in this like this way because it have some parts that looking so lovely. Like look at this portion here. How dark that is compared to everything else. I had to get a paint and fix this because it got hurt me though. I put real effort into this. But they all. My name is Hattie. I come from the future. Don't run out of paint like this fella. Hey, right so you want me like? Yeah, right. Put some paint. But yes, you will need 4 coats ideally of the Anodizer, right? Primer you can get 2 coats, and for the silver you could also get 2, just to be sure, right? Don't run out of paint or primer like me, right? Because I run out of paint and primer and the paint already dry here, I have to wet sand this with 600 with sandpaper, and then hopefully it will take back the purple. I'm hoping that it take the purple. Have a burger. I think I was a little bit too heavy on some of the parts because you could see how over here this this and they much darker than the rest, but that was kind of on purpose because I want the color to be a bit more darker than the lighter purple. So if you could kind of imagine when the fenders go in there, you're not going to see the light purple, right? When the bumper and grill come up here, and then when the engine go there. So you'll mostly see the dark purple, which is what I was really going for. But you could see if you want a lighter shade of purple, you just don't have to put as much coats on it. And well, I think it will match with the gloss black that I want to go with. So Suko Garage outside.